How to fix Gemini something went wrong error. Let's get started. If you're getting the something went wrong error in Gemini, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix it. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left menu, click Privacy and Security. Now select Third-party cookies. Scroll down to See All Site Data and Permissions. Tap the search bar and type Gemini. When the results appear, click the arrow next to Google. Find Gemini, then click the trash icon next to it. Click Delete to remove the stored site data. Now go back to the left menu and click Extensions. Temporarily turn off all your Chrome extensions by switching each toggle to Off. Once you've done that, open Gemini again and check if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the same error, go back to Settings. Scroll down and click Reset Settings. Now select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. When the reset is complete, close Google Chrome and open it again. Now visit Gemini and check if it's working properly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.